All right. Welcome to Heroic Universal Concept International. This is just a quick corrections for my students. Okay. Nzube, just pay attention quickly. Um, I've actually gone through your code before, and everything worked fine. I just decided to go through it again to verify, to be sure, to be double sure. Okay, before talking to you. Now this is your code, sample.php. Okay, I believe I'm in the right place, right? Sample.php, and that's it. This is the code. This is your page. Now this is the code. Script, the JavaScript part of it. Okay, and this is sample.php. Okay, now like I told you, you have to first of all come and place jQuery here. Make sure that jQuery is first of all here first before JavaScript, before script.js. jQuery before script, and they should be under the footer. Okay, they should be the last to be here, the last before the body tag. Okay, that is the first thing you should do. Then after that, then let's go to JavaScript. Okay, now once you're able to do that, everything is supposed to work perfectly. Just check to make sure that everything you did it like this, which you did. I'm actually using your code. Then you have to clear your cache. You have to clear cache. Make sure you clear your cache. Very important. Clear cache so that it will load fresh copy of your script, not the ones stored in the cache. You understand? So clear cache. Okay, then after that, now you have to try this. Okay, now let me show you this. Just watch. You see, I am logging this email in the console to check. Okay, let me log the phone name first. So when I click on the button, you see that it will show the full name in the console, and it will not refresh the page. Okay, and one more thing, I took it upon I created a page for you in this particular page here. This register ajax, register_ajax.php, because I checked your ajax folder and I found out that you've not created it yet. So I just created an empty page and added just this successfully submitted, just to check whether it is being captured. Whatever you're entering in your stuff is being captured here, as well as in whether the response got here. Okay, the message is sent through ajax, whether it got here, and when it got it will return this response. Okay, and when you go back to your script, you found out that the response returned will be it will be shown in your page, your sample page here, in this alert that's here. You get me? That's what you did, right? Now let's watch and see what we're gonna get. So if I should type in my name, type in my email and submit. So when I submit, see, okay, let me go to the console so that you see. When I submit, go to console. This is it. Okay, let me refresh it again. Now let me submit again. Submitted. You see that? Submitted. You see that? Submit. It is not refreshing the page. Did you see that? It is not refreshing the page. It is just submitting. You know, when the page actually refreshes, you know what will happen? This names in the console will clear off. Watch me now. Let me refresh the page. You see that? That is page refresh. When the page refreshes, the content of the console will clear. It will refresh everything afresh. You understand? But when you click here, this thing that happened, don't think that it refreshes. It is because this thing appears and the button was touched and this goes up, but that doesn't mean it refreshes. If it refreshes, this name will not show. You watch me. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? It's showing. Now let's check, and you see this successfully submitted. It's showing that it got here. It got to this page, to this PHP page. You get me? So everything is still working quite perfectly. If I should check the email, now let me check the email here. Let me check the email. Good. Let me save, refresh. Okay, so you see it will show the email, show successfully submitted. Okay, it will keep showing the email as much when I click, it will keep showing it. Okay, this is just to tell you that everything is just working perfectly. Just check this in your own computer. It's supposed to work fine if you followed all these procedures. Okay, thank you very much.